Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to compute value-added tax or VAT. So, let's get started. First, let's define value-added tax and how it is applied. VAT is a 12% tax added to the price of goods and services in the Philippines. Businesses collect VAT from customers and remit it to the government. So it means guys, in the Philippines, the standard VAT rate is 12%. Okay? And it is usually paid by the buyer but collected by the seller. Okay? And then, nire-remit yan sa government. Naintindihan? So, paano ba natin kinakalculate si VAT? So, calculating VAT inclusive and VAT exclusive prices. So, by the way, ano bang ibig sabihin ng VAT inclusive and VAT exclusive? Pag sinabi nating VAT inclusive guys, this means that the VAT is already included in the price shown. Naintindihan? So, dun sa price na nakikita nyo, kasama na yung VAT doon. Okay? Sa VAT exclusive price naman, this means that the price does not yet include VAT. Okay? So, ang babayaran nyo doon is you need to add the VAT muna on top of the price. Okay? So, again, sa VAT inclusive, yung VAT is already included. Sa VAT exclusive naman, the VAT does not yet include, no? Hindi pa siya na idadagdag doon. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga formula dito? VAT exclusive is equal to VAT inclusive divided by 1.12. Yung 0.12 dito, guys, ito yung 12% tax. Okay? Ang VAT inclusive naman is equal to VAT exclusive times 1.12. So, kumbaga, yung first formula natin, nag-cross multiply lang tayo. Okay? Para ma-solve yung VAT inclusive. So, for the VAT amount naman, ito yung total VAT natin, is equal to VAT inclusive price minus VAT exclusive price. Okay? Naintindihan ba yung tatlong formula natin, guys? So, let's move to problem number 1. A notebook is sold for 112 pesos, VAT inclusive. Find the VAT exclusive price and the VAT amount. Okay? So, solve natin. First, identify natin yung given. So, sabi dito, a notebook is sold for 112 pesos, VAT inclusive. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating VAT inclusive price. Naintindihan? So, to solve for VAT exclusive price, gagamitin natin yung formula kanina, which is equal to VAT inclusive divided by 1.12. Okay, so substitute lang natin guys yung given natin. VAT inclusive, we have 112 pesos divided by 1.12. So that is equal to 100 pesos. Okay, so ang VAT exclusive price natin is 100 pesos. So ngayon, pwede na nating isolve yung VAT amount. Okay, so based kanina, ang formula ng VAT is equal to VAT inclusive price minus VAT exclusive price. Okay, so substitute natin guys. Inclusive, we have 112 minus exclusive price which is 100. So ang VAT natin is 112 minus 100, we have 12 pesos. Naintindihan? So therefore, the notebook cost 100 pesos before VAT. The buyer paid 12 as VAT, making the total of 112 pesos. Okay, naintindihan ba guys kung paano sinosolve yung VAT? So next, let's proceed to problem number 2. A school bag has a VAT inclusive price of 560 pesos. What is the price before VAT and the VAT amount? Okay? Pag sinabi nating price before VAT, ang pinapahanap dito yung VAT exclusive. Okay, so identify natin yung given. First, meron tayong VAT inclusive price which is 560 pesos. Okay? And then, solve natin yung price before VAT. So, that is VAT exclusive. Equals to VAT inclusive over 1.12. Okay? So, substitute lang natin guys. We have 560 divided by 1.12. So, that is 500 pesos. Ito ngayon yung price before VAT. Okay? So, solve natin ngayon yung VAT. VAT is equal to inclusive minus exclusive. So, ang inclusive price natin, we have 560 minus exclusive price, which is 500. So, ang total VAT amount natin is 60 pesos. Okay? So, therefore, the base price of the bag is 500 pesos. By the way, yung base price, ito yung VAT exclusive. Okay? O yung price before VAT. The 60 pesos VAT was added to reach the total selling price of 560 pesos. Okay? Naintindihan ba guys? Yung problem number 2. Next, problem number 3. A computer accessory is priced at 1,200. VAT exclusive. Find the VAT amount and the total price. So, dito guys, yung computer accessory daw is nakapresyo ng 1,200 VAT exclusive. Ibig sabihin, ito yung wala pang VAT. Tama? So, yan yung ating given. So, ngayon, ang pinapahanap is yung VAT amount. Okay? At saka yung total price. By the way, yung total price, ito yung VAT inclusive. Yung kasama na yung VAT amount. Okay? So, first, solve natin yung VAT inclusive. That is equal to VAT exclusive times 1.12. Okay? Substitute natin. Exclusive price, 1,200 times 1.12. Okay? That is equivalent to 1,344. Ito ngayon yung VAT inclusive price. Okay? So, magkano yung VAT dito? So, solve natin. Ang VAT natin is equal to inclusive minus exclusive. So, that is 1,344 minus 1,200. So, ang VAT amount natin is 144 pesos. Okay? So, therefore, the customer pays 144 pesos in VAT, making the total price of 1,344. So, the 1,200 is the actual cost before tax. No? So, yung, again, yung 1 to dito, wala pa yung tax natin or yung VAT. Okay? So, next, let's proceed to problem number 4. A restaurant bill before VAT is 1,500. Compute the VAT amount and the total bill including 12% VAT. Okay? So, dito guys, may sinabi, a bill before VAT is 1,500. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung VAT exclusive price. Okay? Kasi wala pa yung VAT. Ngayon, compute daw natin yung VAT amount tsaka yung kanyang total bill including the 12% VAT. So, solve natin yung VAT inclusive, yung merong tax. So, that is exclusive times 1.12. So, input natin yung given. So, that is 1,500 times 1.12. So, ang VAT inclusive natin is 1,680 pesos. Okay? Ito yung total bill. Ngayon, magkano yung VAT? So, again, solve natin inclusive minus exclusive. So, ang inclusive price natin, 1,680 minus 1,500. So, ang total VAT amount natin is 180 pesos. Okay? Naintindihan ba guys? So, the original bill is 1,500. After adding 12% VAT, the customer must pay a total of 1,680 pesos. So, the 180 goes to the government as tax. Okay? And that's it for our lesson today. I hope you understood how to compute value-added tax. So if you have any questions or clarifications, just drop a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. This is Prof. D. See you in the next one. Bye!